Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to be unboxing for you my brand new Coby 8GB video MP3 player with camera. I recently bought this at Brandsmart USA today for 60 bucks. I bought this because, as you can see, my last MP3 player, this guy right here, and my Samsung Fuse Plus, short-circuited in the rain, so this guy, as you can see, if I try to turn it on, does not work. So, say goodbye to this guy right here. Let's put it off on one side. And I'm going to be unboxing for you this guy right here. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to cut this guy open. So just give me a minute. Okay, not very fancy, but I finally got this thing unboxed. Okay, so we have here your standard USB 2.0 cable. Push it off to one side. And you got headphones. Okay, just push it off to one side. And we have the actual player itself. Let's go out. This player. And if you look on the back, you see the camera right there. And as I said, this is 8 gigs. Is a 2.4 inch screen, and it can record video, takes pictures. It's very lightweight for a player, and battery life for this guy lasts 8 hours. So let's push this guy off to one side. I'm gonna see what else is inside the box. One more minute. Right, you have your user quick start guide, user manual. Put it off to one side. You have a what is this? A pouch for the MP3 player. Yes. Okay. You have 35 free MP3 songs plus one free audiobook. I have no use for this guy. And what's this? Coby limited warranty. Interested in that. And stop. Need help. Don't need help with that. And well, I don't know what this guy is. I'll put this out on that. So let's throw this away. And let's get to the actual player itself. As I said, I'm going to read off the specs for this player. It is memory is 8 gigs, display is 2.4 inch screen, camera is 0.3 megapixels. It supports music, MP3, WMA, APE, OGG, video, AVI, photos, JPEG, BMP, GIF, and PNG. It has FM radio with 40 presets. Audio output is 3.5mm headphone speakers. USB 2.0 high speed, and supports Microsoft Windows 7, Vista XP, and Mac OS. It has a rechargeable li-poly battery, and it lasts up to 8 hours. So that's enough for the specs. Let's get to the player. So this is the first time I'm actually using this player, as you can see. And what I'm going to do right now is to peel off the sticker. Let's see if I can get the sticker peeled off. and we don't need that. Let's put this off. Okay, so we have your camera on the back, and on the side you have your your power and the hold button here, and on the bottom you have your USB port and your headphone jack, and on the other side you have nothing. Top is nothing. Okay, so let's turn this guy on. Let's see what happens. So, okay, so we have your music. Let's see. Music. All music. We have some preloaded music on this guy. So let's see. Let's see. Alright, so we're going to turn this guy up and let's see how the speaker sounds. Okay, not very bad, but not my type of music. Let's go back. Let's check out the video. Let's see, I know people love videos, so we have some preloaded videos here. So let's take a look at one. Try no file. Okay, let's see, no file. Let's go back. Tag this. No tag. They didn't put any video on this guy. The last MP3 they actually did put a video on it. So radio, different presets. That's interesting. Okay. And you have extras. You have your camera. I'll show you guys the camera. As you can see, it's not very bad camera. Okay. Okay, we're going to go back. It's the menu. We're going to go back. And we have setup. We have your timer, display, language, and your system. So let's go back. And you have your photos. And your camera, no files. So let's look at some preloaded photos that they put up on this guy. I'll show you. As you can see, the photo looks really clear. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this guy to the test. And in my opinion, he's not really a bad player. I mean, compared to this guy here, and compared to this guy right here, it's not a pretty bad player. This is a Sansa clip. It's not a bad player. It's loud. And this one is a little cheaper than this guy right here because I paid $80 for this guy at Best Buy, $50 for this one. This one works, but this one doesn't work anymore, so I don't know what to do with this. But anyways, that's it for the unboxing of the Coby MP3 touchscreen with camera. So you guys have a good night.